Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Finicity Open Banking Review My Usage Experience. Finicity Open Banking Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for businesses to assess and manage financial risk associated with open banking integrations. It's primarily aimed at financial institutions and businesses using open banking APIs to verify customer financial data. Key features likely include data aggregation, risk scoring, and fraud detection capabilities. Their website provides details on their comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline the process of verifying customer financial information while mitigating security risks. Finicity highlights its robust security measures and compliance with industry regulations. Pricing is likely subscription-based, but specifics need to be checked on their website. They emphasize speed and accuracy in their data processing. Availability is likely through direct partnerships and integration with their APIs. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Finicity Open Banking Review My Usage Experience. For this review, I partnered with a fictitious financial technology company to test Finicity's services. Getting started was relatively smooth. The initial onboarding involved creating an account and linking our testing API. The interface was initially a little overwhelming, boasting a wealth of features and data points, but after exploring the documentation and playing around for a bit, I found it quite intuitive. I used it primarily to test the accuracy of their risk scoring algorithm against a variety of synthetic customer profiles, and it worked flawlessly. The reporting tools were excellent, providing clear and concise visualizations of the data. The speed was impressive, results were generally returned within seconds. I had a quick question about a specific data point and their support responded within a day via email, which was great. I was really impressed by how robust the security features were. One minor drawback was the learning curve associated with fully utilizing all of the advanced features. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Finicity's capabilities. It's a powerful tool for those needing advanced financial data verification and risk assessment in an open banking environment. That's my overview of Finicity Open Banking Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.